तेलुगु वॉरियर्स पिछले 2 ओवर में 11 रन बनाए हैं, पर 3 विकेट गंवा दिया है तेलुगु वॉरियर्स ने, और इसीलिए स्थिति एक समय जो अच्छी लग रही थी वो एडवांटेज को गंवा दिया है तेलुगु वॉरियर्स ने। 3 विकेट गिर गए हैं 40 रन के नुकसान पर। चरण तेजा ने आते ही एक जोरदार शॉट लगाया था पिछले ओवर में सुधीर की बॉल पर इसी प्रकार से और आगे जाना होगा। कोशिश यही करनी होगी कि उस टारगेट के नज़दीक जाया जाए, विकेट्स ज़्यादा ना गिरे।
छोटे टारगेट्स रखने होंगे सब बैट्समैन को, क्योंकि ज़्यादा आगे भी सोच नहीं सकते हैं। अगर अभी एक ओवर पावर प्ले का बाकी है और जिस तरह से गेंदबाजी हो रही है और फील्ड प्लेसमेंट्स है, तो जो सुदीप है वो अभी भी नहीं चाह रहे कि बैट्समैन स्ट्राइक इजीली रोटेट कर पाए। बहुत एग्रेसिव कैप्टन है सुदीप, काफी एग्रेसिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज, ऑलवेज अप फॉर फाइट। दैट्स वन मोर गुड डिलीवरी। कार्तिक कंटिन्यूइंग हिज स्पेल।
Oh boy, there's so much of delight, there's so much of support for the Bulldozers. It seems that all the glamour has come to this ground to witness this encounter from both the sides, Telugu Warriors and the Bulldozers. It kept low, good line from Karthik, who took those 2 wickets in his previous over. It seems to be a fifth sign. They've worked very hard. They've got the legendary Vishwanath as their mentor. Worked hard in their training. They play some practice games. So that is why we see this kind of an effort on the field. Sudeep has done well as a captain. He has ensured that all his fielders inside the circle are closer to the batsman, so that they cannot rotate the strike.
Well, indicating at his fielder that you need to take orders from me rather from anybody else. That's what most captains and most directors also do. That's hit well over the top. Time to perfection over mid-off. Such a delight to see such a shot being played by Prabhu, who's always had this caliber.
This is a good blow from Prabhu. He gets in line and plays it over the head of the fielder at mid-off. That's the kind of shot they need here, especially in the power play, so that you gain maximum advantage of the field restrictions.
Prabhu looks to be a very free-flowing batsman. I think Walker sees the ball early, picks the line, picks the length early, gets into position nicely. So, and he's got a good balanced head on his shoulders. Age and the experience that he's gained with it definitely helps under pressure situations, and it can't get bigger than this for Telugu Warriors, who are chasing this daunting task of 147. That's a poor delivery down the leg side. Another wide. The tally of wide being is always increasing. That is one aspect we need to improve about CCL. That was a good attempt by Sudeep. He saved a couple of runs for his side, diving on the leg side, coming up with a one-hand save.
Drives well. Fielder station there will only get a single. So after 6 is 46 for 3.
Telugu Warriors 46 for 3 after 6 overs.